This video, I'm going to show you how to use force index. Remember on the previous video, I showed you how to add moving average, which is this indicator that you see on the chart, which is red, this one. So in this video, I'm showing you how to use force index. So we come again here, and then we come here. Okay, this is our moving average. We go to the F, and then we come here to add the indicator. We click here. After clicking here, scroll down, you will see it's a return force index, which is this one. So now I'm just going to click it, force index, and then you can see you set default it's 13. Okay, but what I really love to do, you can change this period. Most of the time I use 12 hours, not 13 hours, but you can just until 14, it's fine. 12 period, which means it will only count 12 candlesticks, which to me, if you are on H1 time frame, it will count, it will be 12 hours. Each candlestick, remember, represent a time frame. So what I do on the force index, you just click on the screen. You can click it anywhere. So for example, now I'll just click here, and then after clicking here, you come to this thing. Okay, then after that you can click it. After clicking it, I'm going to click the horizontal line. Okay, after clicking horizontal line, you can see the line is appearing at the corner. It's here. So what I do, I'll drag this line. I'll just put my finger on here. I just placed my finger. Okay, so I press it. When I press it, you can see I just press and hold, and then this thing will appear at the top, and then I'm going to click this one with the pencil. After clicking that one with the pencil, I'm going to change the pixel. This makes my line very bigger. Okay, so press 4, and then now done. You can see now my line is so thick so that I can see it. So I press it again, I hold it, and then press the pencil thing, and then I want the point here where my line should be. I want it to be on 0. So I'll just cancel those numbers, and then I'm left with 0. Done. So now you can see here at the bottom, my line is on 0. Okay, so what happens now, I'm reading this thing, this line here. You can see this line that goes here. This is my indicator. So whenever this line is above this 0, like now it's going below this 0, it means it's a sell signal for me. Okay, remember that the signal must be combined with other signals. So let's say you have signal on this indicator, have signal in this indicator, you can take your trade. Okay, but you don't do it with one signal. Okay, unless otherwise there are strategies which I will show you, which we can use different just one indicator for signal. But now what happens when this line is above 0, it gives me a buy signal, it's a buy strength. When this line is below 0, it's a sell strength. Okay, remember what I said on moving average, when these candlesticks are above, it's a buy. Okay, when they're below, it's a sell. So now let me open my data just so that this chart can load. This will give us the recent information about the market. Okay, it's loading. Okay, you can see now I can switch off my data because the chart's loaded. I just wanted the information from the chart. So now you can see, let's say you were trading with these indicators, right? Let's see where the candlestick began going below the moving average here. You can see as soon as this candlestick closes, below moving average. You can see this candlestick closed below moving average. And then when you come here, I want to give you this. When you come here, you see that candlestick closed below moving average, and then our indicator here, you can see it's below 0. So that's a sell. And then you place the sell immediately when this happens. Just look what profit you would have got. Look here. The market immediately sold so hard just using these indicators. Okay, the candlestick is below moving average, and then our force index is below 0, and then that's a sell. Okay, that's a sell. And then you can see how market sold. Like now, what we do now, our force index is about to go above 0. This candlestick is above moving average. So if when this candlestick close, and then you see that this candlestick is above my moving average, my force index is above 0, that's a buy. You take a buy just like that. I can show you even other examples, maybe when a buy happened. For example, here, let's take let me show you something. Okay, we can take it anywhere, but let's say from here. Actually, I would like to show you let's say from here. Okay, and then if you want to move things, you take this one, now you just press it, and then it will appear on your chart, then you drag it. So let's say the candlestick here, you can see the candlestick closed below moving average here. Okay, immediately when the candlestick closed below moving average, you come here and realize that no, force index is still above 0, which means we still have buying power. And then you avoided this trade because one indicator said no. Then when you come here, candlesticks are below still, and then the force index is now saying it's a sell, it's a sell, it's a sell. And then you took a sell here because of these indicators. You can see how these things works. Okay, just like that. Though it's not 100%, there will be sometimes where you are going to be taken out of the market. Okay, but if you use these indicators, your loss won't be as much as that. So these indicators are also used for risk management. Okay, because now immediately, like now, let's say you took a sell, and then immediately when the candlesticks start closing above moving average, that's your exit. Okay, that's your exit. That's how you trade, and that's how robots trade. Robot will, most of the time, robot will trade this way. Of course, you are going to have a stop loss just to save your account, and take profit to save your account. But at the end of the day, you must read the indicators, what they see. So let's say you took a sell, and what I love the most is that when you take a sell here and then the market is going on your way, you keep on looking profits, so that by chance if market goes up, it will hit your stop loss with profit. Looking profit, I'll make a video specifically for that. Looking profit means moving your stop loss below your entry. Your entry is here, and then you move your stop loss as the market goes your way, so that you can sleep peacefully. Okay, so I'll also revisit the moving average. It's 10, simple, 0 close, shift, whatever. I did a video about this. You'll check it there at the top inside this folder. And then yeah, good luck, and I just hope you follow the rules as they are. There will be other videos that I will make. Sharp.